Hi, this is Dave Philippi with FabCAD, and one of the neat features that AutoRail has is the ability to add base plates. So when you go to the Customize box, you can do this, check this box here, and add base plates to the railing. Now, a couple ways of doing this. You'll set up a prompt so you can define the width of the base plate. So C basically works from the center of the post to the edge of the plate. So that's the one we've picked here. And then to automate all this, you can add standards, and I'm going to show you that in a second. So first of all, let's just go in here and get a railing up here. So I'm going to import a template, say 1.5" square tube rail. And you got to make sure that you've given a plate thickness here. You need that information for the program to generate the base plate. It needs to know the thickness. So if you just put that there, that's the only place you need to put it. And then we just click Next and draw, and here we put in the dimension C. So this is 1.5" post. I want to use a 4" plate, so from the center of the post to the outside of the plate would be 2, and the length is 4 and the width is 4. Okay, now click OK and pick a point, and it puts in the base plates. Now to automate this, we'll go back in here and we will go to the base plate configuration, and we'll go to these standards. Now, this is basically a little bit of programming. We've got a dialog box to help you with it. So I'm going to scroll up here to post thickness. And post thickness, remember these symbols from math or algebra, greater than or equal. I want to use the equal because I want to make sure, I'm just going to keep this simple here. If it equals 1.5, and the post thickness here, greater or equal 1.5. And the angle, well, we're doing a level one, so the angle is 0. And we'll do the same thing here. Scroll up to get to greater, less than or equals 0. Then C is 2, right? From the outside of the plate to the center of the post, because it's a 4" plate, C equals 2. So then we just add that to the list of lines here. Now it says here the scroll boxes don't register a selection until you click on it. So you're going to make sure all these little scroll boxes here are lit up. And I click Add, and now I have done that. Now I also have another option here, is length. So I can go in here and put the length. The length is 4, and add that to the list. Then I go down to the bottom here and let's do the width. So if the post width, and I'll scroll up to, is greater than or equals 1.5, and this also 1.5, then the plate width is 4. And I'll add that statement. Okay, so those are all the statements. So then we'll click OK, and then when we do this railing again, horizontal rail, next, draw, pick a point, boom, plates are in there automatically, just like that. And of course, obviously, when you change your post size, your plate size has to be appropriate to whatever post you're doing, and you can just use this as a template for you to enter in your statements and automate inserting all your plates. Take care. Bye.